Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sewing Report, and I got a surprise package, so I wanted to share this with you in an unboxing video. All right, and this is from our friends at SewTites. Now, quick disclaimer, I am a SewTites affiliate. You can find a link down below in the description box. They make great products. I sell them myself in the Etsy shop, and you can also purchase all of the SewTites products on their website. And if you use the coupon code Sewing Report, you can get 15% off of your order. All right, so let's see what they sent. I did not know this was coming. Oh, this is super cute. And I have a good relationship with the folks there. I think they're fantastic. The company was started by two sisters. And yeah, oh, this is so cute. They sent me a little card. Thank you for all you've done in 2024 to make for an incredible year. We are grateful for partners like you who help us spread the word. Sorry, let me see if you can read this here. As always, we're over the moon excited. Oh yeah, they're coming out with a bigger version of the Sew Magnetic cutting system. Expanded trade show circuit and other products. They're coming out with some really great products too. I still need to order my rotating cutting mat. That's something that's on my wish list for 2025. I haven't ordered it yet. All right, so let's take this out. We'll see what we got here. Oh, look at this wrapping. I don't know what this is, but I thought this would be fun to unbox here on the channel. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's like, oh, okay. I thought, so the package was heavy and I thought they were going to be some sort of SewTites product or something. Oh my gosh, it's, okay, so it's, the company is based out of Montana and they sent me some mustard and jam. This is, okay, this looks honey garlic mustard. Oh, I love honey. I am a huge fan of honey mustard. Thank you to everyone at SewTites. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, super cute. Okay, this is, oh my gosh, what a nice treat. This was so sweet of them. I saw like there was a package coming in. I didn't know what it was. So it's from a company called Becky's Berries. I've never, yeah, I'm not familiar, but it looks like it's a local business. So this is Montana Champagne Honey Garlic Mustard. Oh, that sounds really good. Elevate your taste buds, a delectable combination, savory and bursting with flavor. Oh, that looks good. I love jam. This is amazing. Oh, Montana Huckle. I thought it said Buckleberry. Huckleberry jam. Explosive in flavor. The wild huckleberry is truly a wilderness delight. Should I open these? Oh, check this out. Oh, thank you, SewTites. This is awesome. I love jam. I love toast and butter. This will go great on some stuff. Oh, this looks great. I love sourdough bread, so I could do that. And I do love honey mustard. My husband also loves mustard, so he's probably gonna steal this. Yeah, this looks honey garlic. Honey mustard is just amazing. Oh, it has champagne in it, brown sugar. Oh, this sounds really good. I'm sure this would be great to dip things in, like pretzels or like chicken fingers, that sort of thing. Use it with chicken. That would be really good. I saw the package was heavy, and I really thought it was going to be some like, you know, SewTites products or something. Which, by the way, let me get my SewTites out. This is a hang stand they sent me a while ago, and this is how I store my SewTites. But they make all sorts of magnetic products for sewing, quilting, embroidery, handwork. So lots of different products. I have the Sew Magnetic cutting system, and they have different, they're coming out with different products all the time, which is super cool. Huge thank you to the entire crew at SewTites. Hopefully we can have another great year in the upcoming 2025. I am Jen with the Sewing Report. I know this has been a quick one, and I'll see you again in the next video.